I'm just gonna leave that part to the end. So all you have to do now is put the faceplate back. There's a little connector right here that goes in the back of this thing. Snap that in. The next thing you want to do, you want to put the faceplate back together, back in place. Before you do that, you probably want to screw the thing down. So this is very important. There's two screws right here, and there's another one back here. And that's all you have to do to take out the front panel. Because I looked at other videos and they show people taking out the old armrest and everything, which is not necessary. All you have to do is just take out those screws and you should be good to go. So you want to make sure it stays in flush. And, you know, it's always good to hear the click. Click is always good when you're doing something on your car, because it tells you it goes back right where you took it from. You put the front panel back in. You probably want to be careful using all this aftermarket mounts, because I used one before, the one that goes into the city slot. And it broke my panel, so you know I had to super glue it back. Like I said, it just broke it again. So you probably just want to be careful, you know, using one of those things. And it's not really like that for now. Another thing is you want to put this back where you took it from, so it goes right underneath, right here. Yep, like so. Click is always good. Click. So the next thing you want to do is you want to screw the bottom ones too, and you're almost good to go. You have to try this baby out, see. But it definitely does look nice with the cover back in place. Sure, I'm doing a very shitty job with these videos, but I need to get into getting more equipment as time goes on, and you know, I fix things on my cars and get better videos. just usually very excited when I have to fix something, and I just go into it before I remember, oh shoot, I need to make a video. You know, it always helps the next person that that I have the same trouble, and this, I believe that's what the word should be like, help the next person out. So this is the start. This is the beginning. So this is where you want to start from when you plan on doing this job. It's always good to take this thing out, and the way you do that is, first you probably want to plug in the cigarette lighter thing. Keep it in place. So I'm guessing it's like this. So maybe I should do this first. I'm gonna put this here. Yep. Click is a good thing. Put that there because my cigarette lighter is a little shaky. Put this back here. Yep, this lever is the trim right there to give you some energy, pushing it back in place. And that's basically it. That's all you have to do. Just snap it back in place. And you are almost good to go. And I just have to deal with this gear situation, which is giving me a headache. I don't think it's this way, so it